Creatively is a web-based diagram software and it is simple to use. To proceed, you have to sign in first. If you created an account using Gmail, just wait for a few minutes to receive this one. To make sure that you already have an account, you need to receive this one, and to start, click Start Drawing Now. After clicking it, you will be redirected in the website and you will see this one in your screen. After waiting, you will see the home page of Creatively. Now, you can create a document or choose a template. In my case, I chose flowchart. After clicking your chosen template, you will see the black board, plus the template you chose. On the left side, you can see some features as well that you can use, like simple shapes, flowchart, and block shapes. Now, if you want to add more shapes for your flowchart, click the plus sign in the sides of your shape. And you will be given 4 options of which shape you want to add. After clicking it, your chosen shape will appear together its line and it connects to the previous shape. You can also add image just by clicking this one. After that, you need to click import image, choose an image from your desktop, and voila, it will appear in your board. You can also add some features to your picture, like draw connector, wherein you can connect it with other shapes. Another feature is hyperlink, wherein you can add links to your board. If you want more templates, you can click this one and Creatively will provide you more. Lastly, you can share your work to others by adding their emails below.